Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I have a fun little tip for you today using our designer series paper and the blends. If you've seen my blog post today, then you've seen the beautiful card that I'm about to show you. And tonight what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little card, just a little sample of how I did this technique. And it is fun, and you can do it with lots of different designer series paper. I'm going to show you another little tip that you can do that you might think, oh, I never thought of that. So that's what I'm here tonight, is to kind of show you some tips for using up that designer series paper. I know a lot of times we get the paper, it is so gorgeous, and we don't want to use it, but I'm going to show you how to make it even prettier than it already is. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I really appreciate that. Hi Ruth, Judy, Linda, Dawn, Sandy, Pat. Wow, the gang's all here. I love it. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to change my camera here. And this is the card that I posted on my blog today. And I've been having emails and comments on my blog. How did you do that? Did you color the background black? Did you stamp the flower colored in? It's really, really easy. Simpler than what you think. But that isn't that gorgeous? I was kind of playing around with it. And then I decided I'm going to turn that into a card because it turned out really cute. So what did I start with? This paper right here. This is the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper. I turned this into this. Wow, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Now you can do that with any designer series paper. You can do this technique. You can do it with this print right here, which is from the same pack. This print right here, which is also from the same pack. So after tonight, you're going to pull out your designer series paper and you're going to go to town with your blends. So I had a bunch of blends and decided I like these the best. What we are going to be using is the light lovely lipstick, the dark lovely lipstick, the light Highland Heather, and the dark Highland Heather. And then we have the light Mango Melody and the dark Mango Melody. Now I'm just going to work with a scrap that I had right here, and we're just going to make a little 3x3 card. This is a great card to put in a gift bag, or a lot of times if I have an order going to a customer, I'll slip a little 3x3 gift card in their bag. So I mean, it's going to be this easy. You take the print. I didn't even cut mine down to size until after I started playing with it, and then I cut it down to size. We're just going to color in with our blends. And you know me and my blends, I just fill in. I start with dark, and I go from there. And then I come in with the lighter. I'm just doing the centers of them flowers right now, and I just kind of blend the dark with the light. There are some gorgeous watercolorists out there, and they will know how to shade and leave a little white, and that's just not me. So I have a tendency to fill it all in, which I like the look I get as well. So I am not a watercolorist that knows how to leave all the little white and all the edging, but that's okay. I've resigned the fact I'm okay with that. I think they still turn out beautiful. So that was the dark, lovely lipstick. Now I'm just going to blend in with the lighter. And you just got to kind of watch when you're blending and coloring in that you're staying within the lines. And you'll never know that it wasn't printed that way. And I love how that blends. And it looks like I did the leaves, and I didn't because they were already done for me in the print. But it's just another way that you can use those prints and make them pop. They are gorgeous the way they are, but I just love the look of having other color options. So I can make it any color I want. And this card hardly has any stamping required. It's mostly all done with the Designer Series paper. So we all love that. And you can see I'm very quick in my coloring. That was the darker Highland Heather, and then I take the bigger and then just fill in, making sure I go off. And you can always come back in and add more dark if you want more dark. You can kind of see on the print where they did their shading. I did not follow that for this particular technique. Just kind of did my own thing. Love it. And I think that we need this one to be yellow. And if you wanted to, you could do all the colors like the pink and all the colors yellow. You don't have to do the variety color, but I love all the different color options. And I just think it really made a very pretty bouquet of all the different colors. So pretty. I'm going to do this one up here yellow too. Or maybe I'll do this one. This little piece down here, I'll do yellow. So you can see how quickly this goes, but you can also see why I chose to do a little piece to show you tonight, so I'm not taking up all your time. And then I'm going to use the dark pink. We'll go up here, and I kind of just go in with the dark blend. I come in and just pick up those darker lines. Maybe you do an outline, and then I just come in with the lighter shade to blend it all. So it just goes this quick and easy. And you don't have to do a whole lot to the card to make it gorgeous, because this print all colored in with all these gorgeous colors is going to make it beautiful. So sounds like we have some visitors here. I don't know if you can hear them or not, but I can hear their dogs. So I'm just coming in with the Highland Heather, and I just kind of did my colors sporadically all over so that they're not right next to each other, just to give my bouquet pretty all the way around. But there you go. Isn't that gorgeous? I love how that turned out. It is just so pretty. So it goes from this to this. Isn't that? Wow. Love it. Love it. Love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a quick little 3x3 card with our sample. So I have a piece of the Lovely Lipstick, and this is 3 by 6. 3 by 6. And I have 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and that is going to go on the inside. So we have a little white on the inside. It's always nice to have a little white to stamp on, or write a little sentiment inside. And then I think it's kind of cool on that side too, because the other side has a stripe. So we're going to place this on here like so. And then I just took our stitched shapes framelits and did a black circle, and then I took the hello, and I think this is from the Free as a Bird stamp set, and I just punched that out with a 1-inch circle punch. We're going to put that on there, and then I'm just going to pop that up. Now we can put it to the side here. We can put it in the middle. I don't know if I want to cover up that gorgeousness, so I think I'm going to pop it up right here on the side. That looks beautiful. I'm going to take some of my dimensionals. Just one ought to do the trick. And I'm going to just put it to the side here like that. And then if you want to, what you can do is you can take a couple pearls. I did three. Three usually an odd number they always say to do. So we're going to just do a little odd number here. Just like that. Super cute. So there we go. This is the bigger piece, and then this is a smaller piece. They're both gorgeous. This one I did with the Gorgeous Grape, which I didn't use that blend, but I thought it went gorgeous with my print, so I went with the Gorgeous Grape. This one, we got the lovely lipstick around the outside edge. So very quick and easy. Use those blends on those designer series paper. You will love the results. And I have one more tip for you. So a lot of times the designer series paper comes with a stripe. So we have lots of different stripes. Take a ruler and any color. So let's say I wanted yellow with this blue. I wanted blue and yellow on my card. So if I take my ruler and just line that up and take the blend, look at that. I can make my own print, my own colors. I can add whatever colors I want to my designer series paper. So maybe I want to do red, white, and blue, or blue and yellow. So not only can I go that way, but then you can also, it's probably ain't gonna be straight, but I just want to show you so you can get the idea. You can start making your own like plaids. So this one here, I added the yellow down the strip. So you can do that with all the different prints with the stripes. You can turn them into plaids. You can add more color stripes. I mean, this gets to be addicting because I keep coming up with different color combinations that I want and just adding in that additional color element. I just made that cardstock more versatile to whatever, you know, colors I want in my print. I don't have the print with the color I want, but I got the blend in the color I want. Turn that into whatever print you want. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. You can do like they did here, 3 lines. So you can do 3 lines, create your own plaid. But oh my goodness, get those designer series papers out. And if you don't have them, you can order them on my blog, which is www.TheStampCamp.com. Use that hostess code. If your order is $50, you will get all the PDF files for this month's featured stamp set, as well as the customer appreciation PDF files for this month. So lots going on. I hope that you enjoyed my little tip and technique for tonight, and I know you're gonna get out your blends and that designer series paper and start your coloring. Just gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Any questions? Hello, Dawn. Hey, Julie, you made it live. Well, thanks for joining. That is it for tonight. Great idea with the stripes. I know because sometimes you don't have the color printed paper in the stripe color that you want. So now you can make it any color you want. So that's pretty cool. So that is my tip and technique for today. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, remember, if you share, you'll be in the drawing to get the card for tonight. And I will post all my winners on Sunday on my blog. So make sure you come back Sunday and check that out. It is www.TheStampCamp.com. Remember to comment that you did share when you share the video. That's it. Thanks for stopping by.